Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your Canadian passport online. This is helpful because it saves you time and you don't have to line up or go to an office. You can do everything from your device as long as you have the right documents ready. So to get started, open the official passport renewal page online. Once you're there, look for the option to renew your passport and begin the application. So next, fill out the form with your personal details. Make sure everything matches your current passport information to avoid delays. Take your time here and double check your answers before moving on. After that, you'll need to upload your documents. So this usually includes your current passport and a new photo that meets the required guidelines. Follow the instructions on the page so your upload is accepted. So once everything is filled out and uploaded, review your application one more time. If everything looks correct, go ahead and submit it. So the last step is to pay the renewal fee online. After payment, you'll receive confirmation that your application has been sent, and from there, just wait for your new passport to be processed and delivered. And that is it. That's how you renew your Canadian passport online in a simple and easy way. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.